Valhalla is loading. This is a really special game, this one. Really good. It's a sort of text adventure, text RPG, but with graphics. So, we're actually going to see the main screen loading up, I guess, right now. This was made in 1983. Can you believe? And the author, published by Legend. Author was Richard Edwards, Graham Asher, Charles Goodwin, and Andrew Owen. Loved that intro screen too. Really like that. And that helmet thing, actually, we had them on display in Vindolanda, which is some place in Northumberland where you can see the heritage and that. You know, we've got the Roman wall there and everything, and you've got loads of Roman Vindolanda and loads of like links to this sort of stuff. So I've seen one of them in real life. It might even be based on that exact one. And look at that huge font too. That looks really quite stylish. Looks like something from the early days of the Amiga or something. More than the Spectrum. Moviesoft. Now there's no mention of Moviesoft on this worldofspectrum.org. I don't think. Original price £14.95. Budget price £2.99. Imagine getting it. I don't think we had this original. My brother would loved it. So I was only 3 when this came out. But I believe my brother, who's at least 7 or 8 years older than us, had this game and was already into it by the time I was, 4 or 5. And toying around on the Spectrum, I used to watch them play it a lot. And all I could do was swear. If you swear, you get sent to hell by Mary, if I remember rightly. You type just shit or something and she bats you into hell, and then you can try and kill her or something. So I'm awful at this game, unfortunately. I really am bad. I can't really do much of the trading, or I usually just get killed and stuff. But like I say, I was about 5 when I played it, so I'll be no better. Now I'm tempted to speed this up, but I like it too much. But if you are listening to this, and that's great, and just skip on a little bit. I love just hearing the Spectrum sound, actually. I don't think there's many videos of Valhalla out there, actually. Let me do a quick search on YouTube. Spectrum. Again, it's quite an obscure one almost. Oh, there is a couple. The RZX Archive did one 4 years ago. And ZX Spectrum Games 4 did one 2 years ago. But that seems to be it. There's 2 on the whole net. And what I'm finding is a lot of them don't have any talking over them, which is great, actually. Sometimes I just want to watch someone playing a Spectrum game, especially something like Valhalla, just while I'm working, But other times I want to, I'm not doing anything intense. I wouldn't mind hearing someone talk about the game too. And so you can learn a little bit about the game and just hear some stories from the past. And also, with that, you can just turn off the voice if you don't want to hear it anyway. God, you forget how long they take to load, don't you? Literally take minutes, 7 or 8 minutes. Go away, get some tea. It's quite exciting in a way, though. Long-running processes like that. Like, I've got this render going, I do renders before I go to bed and stuff. It's exciting waking up and seeing the results. So it's always exciting coming back in the room and going, oh, it's finished. Or I remember this sound, this bit means it's close. You can almost tell what it's loading from the sound if you get to grips with it. In fact, this could be, if you could make these sounds ultrasonic or whatever it is, make them so we can't hear them. You can use those sounds to transfer data still, as long as the microphone can pick it up. So you can actually transfer Spectrum games without anyone even noticing, over machines that are not even connected to the net. Here we are. I love the way it draws out, I really do, and I deliberately didn't look at this first because I wanted to get my first impressions again. Great that, isn't it? You're in Valheim, which is in an area of lakes in Asgard. And people arrive and stuff. There you go, look. Loki's always here, I think. On that dragon. Thor, Leah. This is what made it so cool. Loki, Skadi, you, Aiden. Love that. I always used to think, well, I want to make a clone of this, and I do. I can't even remember how you get around. You have to just type, in fact, don't you? What's that? It's like a bottle or something. Whoops. So what if I type, like, pick up bottle? Oh, no, wait. The dragon moved there. He's just random. Oh, he's going to eat someone. He's going to eat Loki. I'd like to see you try, Skadi. Let's see what happens. Oh, look, that's what I like about it, that people move. It's not just turn-based, actually. If you just sit and watch, people come and go. Like everyone's a Wally, where the city feels real. Look, someone's just had a drink. Aiden had a drink. Look, Aiden drinks the wine. It's like an old mud or something before its time. Loki gives the fireball to Leah. Or maybe muds were out, actually, in 1983. I guess it'd be very early, though. They must have been out, though. Bulletin board systems and things like that, probably. So yeah, that's the unique thing, is the fact that they move around, the fact that there's text and graphics, the fact that it's not just turn-based waiting for input. Aiden drops the ring. So if I type pick up ring, or maybe I just type get ring. Oh look, they're having a fight. Throws the wine. Thor throws some wine at Loki. Now they're going to have a fight over it. That's amazing. They actually are fighting now. Two drunk Vikings chucking wine at each other. Loki kills Thor. Loki attacks Thor with the axe. Loki kills Thor. Well, Thor's a bit of a fool, isn't he? He was supposed to be hard as well. In fact, isn't Loki his brother or something? So they've just... really bad thing, you know. One of them's just been brutally killed over a drunken incident. Get ring. I think I got it. You get the ring. That's awesome, isn't it? Get wine. So he moves around on that canvas sort of thing, responding to text commands, and so does everyone else with their own sort of AI, primitive AI. I got it. Oh, Thor's back, look. He's come back to kill Loki. Oh, because they're all gods, right? Everyone just goes to hell for about 20 minutes and then gets out. So I can try and kill one of these people if I want. Who's Aiden? Is Aiden a woman? Loki's getting a bit scared over there because Thor's just eyeing him up from the right here. Skadi attacks Loki. They're really bored, aren't they? Either that or they're really hammered. A huge dragon is going to attack Loki. He's not having a good day, really. He hasn't done anything wrong, technically, yet. The dragon even turns around, look, to face him. Go on, Loki. Loki defeats Skadi. Skadi leaves. I may have a go at Loki, just to end this day. Can you talk to Loki? Tell Loki hello. Look, Thor's moving in for the kill. Thor attacks Loki. He's going for it. Loki's probably having a rough time, like. Why doesn't he just disappear? Just leave. He might even get killed and sent to hell for this. Go on, Thor. See if you can get Loki to hell, because I'm going to kill him anyway. Even though technically I'm on Loki's side, because he's done that wrong. Loki defeats Thor. Loki's rock. Hello, Loki. You can't do that, I don't think. Thor arrives. He's back already. He's really determined now. See, I think he's got a different axe. Look at him. Mincing his way along. Pretending he's not going to just launch another attack on Thor, on Loki. And Skadi's back as well. I forgot that it's just about everyone trying to kill Loki all the time, including the player. Now, I can move around, obviously. I can go to different screens and I can attack people. But in a way, I just want to see how this pans out with Loki, you know. Look, he's going to attack Loki as well. The guy with the sword. Oh, Leah. Now he's just left. I'm going to see if I can get that wine. Get wine. That might anger Thor, actually. But I'm going for it, and he is getting it. And obviously when I get bored, I'm going to do the classic. But I'm going to leave that till the end. And that's my Dropbox. More graphics coming in. Seems like the guy waits until I'm playing Spectrum games. But that's all good. If there's graphics coming in, I'm happy. Leah's back. He's come back because he's the only bloke who hasn't had a go at Loki yet. Well, Aiden hasn't done much. Loki's off. Couldn't handle it anymore. There's too much bad blood and tension going on. Alright, so what if I go... You just type west, I think. You go to the west, yeah. And there you go, it redraws out like a proper RPG. It's a bit like The Hobbit or something, but just more interactive. Loki, oh yeah, you were in the mountains in Asgard. See, I like it back there where all the fighting's going on, to be honest. Oh, I keep forgetting people do appear everywhere. Look, there's a sword. That's probably Loki there. In fact, if it is, that's good that it's remembered that he's come through. Oh, there's a crow, yeah. Oh, that's Baldir, Raven. Can you talk to them? Talk to Raven. Chat. Oh man, just... Nah. But how do you speak to people? Is this all you can do? Walk around picking stuff up? Get sword. Aiden's here, look. I think Aiden's a woman. I'm sure I type get sword. Oh, he's going to get it. I'm going to have a quick look on the web here. I don't think it's cheating to look up Valhalla verbs or something, you know, because I don't want to waste this opportunity. Oh, that's quite interesting. There's something called Valhalla vintage verb, some sort of format or something. I'm going to pause this for a brief second and work out some cool stuff that I can do. Okay, that was interesting actually. Just a quick read of some stuff on the net. And supposedly, apparently, and I sort of remember this, only about 8 items can be on the screen at one time, so, or 9 or something. So if you drop like more than 8 items, a character called Klepto appears and steals one to stop it going over the limit. That's one interesting thing. The other stuff is the guide I just found, a walkthrough that someone's made from a really early looking website. And there's so many little missions. He's talking about Quest 1, Ofnir. You start in Valheim, go southwest, then south, get the key and the sword. West, open the chest, or have someone do it for you. Get the ring. West, west, jump. North, summon Baldir. North, how do you summon people? If Crank is present, get rid of him somehow. Northwest, summon Thor, or perhaps Odin. Get him to open the chest. Get Ofnir. And there's loads of these. I remember my brother was quite into it, and he probably knows this. Oh, you can ask things, that's right. Aiden asks Baldir to give the ring to Thor. So you can ask people to do stuff. So I can say, Thor, kill the raven, for example. Let's try that. You ask Thor to attack Raven. How cool is that? Thor attacks Raven. He's a bit easily led, isn't he? You know, if I told you to jump off the Tyne Bridge, Thor, would you do it? And surely the Raven can't kill Thor, which means I'm responsible now for Thor killing the Raven, which he did. Oh man, I'm sorry. I wonder if I can give wine to Thor. That works, I think. I'm going over to give it to him. I'm hoping to get him riled up so he goes on a killing spree and massacres Aiden and then kills Mary when she turns up. Thor takes the wine. That was a reward for killing the raven. Every time I want you to kill someone, I'll give you a bottle of wine. Get wine, because it's just lying around anyway. But you don't seem to notice it. I do. Right, I'm going to move on from here, west. You go to the west. Another great scene, these great graphics. I got the light pen for Christmas back in the day because I thought maybe I can become an artist with this, doing this sort of thing, but the light pen was awful. And probably would have been better just trying to manually place things with a mouse or something, but did they even exist back then in 1983? In the mainstream anyway. What's that thing there? Is that a chest or something? So I'm in the forest in Asgard. Oh, the snake. There's a snake. Odin, you, Mistra. Baldir arrives. You can eat, if I remember rightly. Let's see what happens if I type eat snake. Well, even though it's a character, you know. Where Odin just took a swig of his wine. Odin drinks the wine. You can't eat snake. Well, you can actually. Get a strong character, open the cupboard. So you can tell people what to do. But it doesn't tell you what that item is. Can you type look? Well, it just tells you who's around, I think. This doesn't make sense. You lock. I didn't type lock, did I? Open chest. Is it a chest? You have no key. Oh, okay. Well, someone must have it. Shane asks Odin to get the chest. Snake asks Odin to get the chest. Well, the snake's already there. Odin's actually gone over. Odin can't carry the chest. Brilliant, this, isn't it? Really quite deep. Ask Odin for key. Someone's drinking there, look. Another swig of the wine. Mistra drinks the wine. Every event is announced. Mistra asks Baldir to get the ring. Baldir refuses to get the ring. He didn't seem to answer for my key. Mistra gives the food to Snake. Couldn't they just call him the Snake? That was weird because it said it before she did it. She just dropped like a little black turd on the ground for the snake and he's just nabbed it. But it did announce it before. Thor arrives. I don't want any trouble, Thor. I'm trying to get away from you and you just keep turning up. Little bit of bonding going on here between Mistra, the snake, and Baldir. That's one thing. It is hard to remember their names. Well, they should be above their heads, but the font would have to be reduced a lot. It would ruin the appearance. Mistra leaves. Pretty hot, Mistra. I might go and follow her. Aiden arrives. In fact, Aiden looks identical to Mistra. They must be identical twins. The way west is blocked, alright. Northeast, south. I don't know, can you go south? The way south is blocked. North. The way north. Oh, no, it's working. Oh, I'm in the castle, I think. You are in Asgard. No, there seems to be no reference to Asgard in the walkthrough. How weird is that? Well, let's see what antics take place here. Baldir. You realise how few characters there are, actually, when you find them just following you around all the time. Thor again. I used to think it was a huge open world. Well, it is a huge open world with loads of people, but it's the same blokes turning up a lot of the time. What's Baldur doing? He's creeping up on Thor there. Right, east. Something is going to kick off here. I want to be out of the way. 2 Viking gods having it out in a castle. The way east is blocked. North, east, south. Is that just going to take me back? Rubbish. There's a map out there. I saw it briefly. Go north again. The way north is blocked. Oh, was west just going to take us back where I was? Thor asked Baldur to give Jewel to Thor. Cheeky. I like that though, things are going on. It seems actually like my command... Oh no, they're not being forgot. Odin arrives. It's really going to be some sort of fight here. You're getting weak. You need to eat or drink. Ah, yeah. Excellent touch, that. Need to eat or drink. Well, I need to find some food. I should have nicked that food off the snake. And that's probably how it all happens. Can you kill the snake and take his food, or can you just ask for it, you know? Or back here. I don't want to be here. Hopefully you can go east before it draws everyone, but I don't think you can. Which makes it quite a tedious process to go through a room that you've already been in. It wasn't too slow that though, was it? This is back where I began. I'll go east again. Oh no, I think it... Did it? No, it won't let you type while it's populating the screen. It should be able to drop out of that actually. Oh, and it looks like my render is done in the background. Hopefully there was no stuttering in this video, but probably there would be some because of the amount of processing power being done, but we'll find out. And because I've been doing this all night, I'm going to initiate an upload right now as I go east. Let me just, I'll pause this. Yeah, I'm messing with the 360 video stuff. It's interesting. Thor arrives. Right, east again. I don't want to be around here. Thor, get a life, mate. And you got a castle that you go to or something. East is blocked. South. I should just follow the walkthrough because this is the screen you start on, isn't it? Right. You start in Valheim. Is that where I am? Southwest. Oh, I forgot you can go southwest like SW. Right, I forgot all about that actually. So I'm going to just be following this quest 1, Ofnir. Which I've never done any of these really. There's probably some real Valhalla purists out there, like my brother would be one. Right, you're in the forest, Nazgûl. I'm going to go south straight away. Get the key and the sword. I'm going to have to eat soon, aren't I? Oh, there's some food in fact. Can I get that? Or have I just moved? Get food. Oh, too late. Area of lakes in Nazgûl. Looks beautiful. Love to be there now. Okay, so get the key and the sword. There it is. I'm going to die of hunger though, aren't I? Well, it's a far cry from turning up, typing shit, and then waiting for Mary to arrive and then trying to kill her. Which I did as a... I don't know how old I was, really. Probably wasn't even typing shit, I was probably typing poo or something. Got a weapon already? Alright, well, stuff it. West. Apparently there'll be a chest here. Is this another castle? Or have I somehow ended up in the same place? You're in an area of lakes in Asgard. No, I think it's different, right? Open chest. Now, it's funny because it doesn't really stop you typing sometimes. And I like that because you can type a request and then lean back and wait for it to draw and then do it, hopefully. You're not strong enough to open the chest. So you've got to get one of these rock guys. Thankfully, Thor follows me around like a bad smell. But it hasn't told me who's in this room. Because I typed something, I think. If I type who, will it do it? Who? Yes? Talus? Oh, right, that's me and Talus. Talus, open chest. Open the chest, or I'll try and kill you. Talus has no key. Well, how are you meant to do that then? Oh, I've got the key. What? Use key on chest. Nope. Key on chest? No. Well, why can't I open it? Open chest with key. Oh, Heimdall has just arrived. Bet Heimdall can do it. You're not strong enough to open the chest. Alright. Give... Oh, that's what you do. You give key to Talus. Key Talus. So it's got double security. Not only does it need a key, but it also needs you to be really strong. Must be a hell of a chest. I'll give him the key there. Cross and swords, so to speak. He's taking it. Talus takes the key. Talus, open chest. Go on, my son. You ask Talus to open the chest. Talus refuses to open the chest. Ask Talus key. Gets a bit tedious, actually. Oh, give me the key. Talus, give me key. If he refuses, you ask Talus to give the key to you. Talus refuses to give the key to you. Well, what do I do now? You're a dick, mate. It's like when you lend someone like a computer game and they go, nah, you're not having it back, it's mine. If I kill Talus, I'm getting weak though, aren't I? Heimdall asks Kurt to drop the lightning. Get lightning. How do I use that? Kurt, like, Heimdall will be like, oh, he's nipping in before us, he's going to die. But I think I'm getting it. Eat that, Heimdall. You can't carry the lightning. It's awesome, isn't it? I love even the wording. Alright, Talus has to die, I think. Kill. Shall I ask Heimdall to do it? I will, yeah. Heimdall. Kill Talus. He was off before I even mentioned it. He's that eager. You ask Heimdall to attack Talus. Heimdall attacks Talus. That's what you get, mate, for nicking me key. Heimdall wants what's in the case just as much as me, I reckon. If Talus beats him, I'll be angry. The fight is drawn. Talus, you can't just go away, though. What did I type? Talus, give me key. You ask Talus to give the key to you. Where's my last... It's the last chance. Oh, he's doing it, look. Cheers, mate. All it took was a bit of, like, sword play with Heimdall. Thanks. Tell Talus, cheers, man. Oh, he took it again? I can't carry the key. Why can I not carry the key? Talus takes the key. Talus, open the bloody chest, will you, man? It's getting absolutely stupid now. You asked Talus to open the chest. Oh, I had the key earlier. Just do it, man. Just do it. He refuses. Alright. Kill Talus. I see you asked for it, mate. You're going down. Although I am... Oh! I am hungry. I was just about to say, but I've just died of hunger. They must be like, God, he was right in the middle of a conversation, talking about keys and stuff. Probably all that was in the case was, some bread to keep him alive, but everyone was such dicks about the whole situation, weren't they? You're in an icy waste in hell. Oh, well, that sounds good. I didn't do anything wrong in that life at all. I mean, I wanted to kill him, but I'd already died of hunger by then. Alright. Hell's here. Open chest. Buggers. Apparently the last mission, Quest 7, Valhalla, everyone will then come and congratulate you if you can be bothered to wait that long. Oh, good key. It was a great game, and it was awesome, and I considered even cloning it and that, but actually playing it, I'm thinking, it's a bit tedious, is what I'm saying. But it's innovative at the time, and it's still got a spark of, fun to it, and memory. Now and again, you can have a go on it now and again, every decade probably. So before I die, maybe I'll play Valhalla again. Well, I will on my Vega Plus, won't I? I'll finish Valhalla using this bloke's guide. That's what I'll do. And maybe I'll put another video up. You get the ring. I don't know, man. Now it's just gotten almost down to the time of just killing people for fun, Kill Tyre. Come on, mate. You attack Tyre. This is the first bloke I've had a fight with. Luckily in hell he don't seem to starve to death, but I would if I hung out with him. Tyre kills you. That's why we're in hell, isn't it? I'm the sort of mental case who goes and tries to kill someone in hell who's even worse than me and kills me. What do? Appear back in hell. You're in an icy waste in hell. So yeah, it is actually quite a deep game. If you look at some of the other missions, Quest 2, Drapnir, you can jump apparently. Summon a friendly character and give them Ofnir. How do you summon people? Can I summon someone? Oh look, there's Nidhogg and Glut. Glut looks like a proper legend. Alright, summon Thor. Sorry. Is that it? Sorry. That's my Dropbox. Alright, summon hell. With one L. Stop moving around, Glut. Because you won't... Oh! You summon hell. Hell arrives. Is hell like death or something? Hell throws the jewel at Glut. Oh, that was good. Proper smooth animation. Bounced off him. And now Glut's going to go and attack him with the axe. So basically Hell's a total troublemaker you can summon. Turns up, chucking jewels around. And then ends up getting his head cut off by Glut. Is Hell a woman? Hell defeats Glut. Now Glut's, well, I don't know, he's walking away to die. Or just in shame. Glut leaves. Alright, I'm going to get the jewel. And then I might, oh! Glut's back, look. Coming back for vengeance. He's going back for the jewel, I think. Hope not. I want that. No, I've got it. What was the dragon called again? You get the jewel. Alright. Throw jewel at hell. I love the throw animation. It's going to work, isn't it? Whoa! Really good that. I wish the whole game was like that sort of update. Hell attacks you with the axe. Hell attacks you with the axe. Twice. Had to tell you. He's in there like a shot. Even though I'm able to summon him. Her. Him. They like me that much. And I can summon them. But one jewel being thrown. That's game over. Oh, it was a draw. Alright, well. Throw. Sword. Hell. Oh, it's going to work. Whoa! Right into his stomach. Hell attacks you with the axe. Hell attacks you with the axe. I can't really survive, can I? I've just hide my weapon away. And riled up hell. Hell kills you. You'll die in hell for that, hell. And I'm in hell already, and I'll be down back in hell in a second because I killed you. You're in an icy waste in hell. I always thought hell would be hot, actually, but obviously in the Viking world, it's not. That was a bit of fun. Time to type some swear words. See if it recognises shite first. Mary is not amused. Here she comes, look. Like a little skeleton or something. Boop. Hits you and you change colour. And then she just leaves. I think sometimes she hangs around. Alright. Twat. See, they weren't... In 1983, twat wasn't... In the vernacular, wasn't going round. What? Why not, though? Arse? Surely. Oh, the dog, look. Go. Go, open chest. This would be one to play on super speed, actually. Go drops the fireball. Go has no key. Oh, it's so tedious, isn't it? Who is that bloke? I want to kill him, but I can't remember who he is. If this was on super speed, in fact, can you do that? Without damaging what's going on. Speed. Alright, let's put it on times 10. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I was going to try and get them to fight each other, but they're just doing it anyway. See, now we're talking. Whoa. Feels like what I was saying before, proper animation. I want to see it on like 25 seconds for a bit. 20 times speed. Can my PC handle it? Of course it can. It's an iCore 7. Whoa, look at this. Gives a whole new lease of life to Valhalla. Dropping wine. Hell arrives. Right, keep refusing to get the chest. Food, get food. Whoa, of course, you can see that the typing algorithm messes up because it's obviously because the input of the code is in the loop that it's drawing in, and they would never expect it to go fast. So unfortunately, it takes one key. G press is like 10 because it's going 20 times quicker. Maybe if you just put it down to... It's just people asking each other to do it and refusing and then killing each other and then people turning up again, isn't it? Proper warfare. If I put it down to, say, 8, can I type? Hell arrives. Cur. Oh, I can. Alright. Hell. Oh, no. It did work before. Oh, if you type really quick. Hell kills Cur. I was just going to ask him to do that. Hell attacks you. Fight is drawn. Right, you're done for me. Kill Hell. Kill Helm. Oh, Hell's left. Oh, he's back again. Kill Hell. Oh, I can't type. Kill. He's going to come and kill us before I can even do it. Tyre attacks Hell. Kill Hell. Hell kills Tyre. I'm going to kill you for that, mate. Hell kills me. Alright, you're in Hell's Hall, which is in Hell. You, Aiden arrives. Well, Hell's Hall, eh? Never thought I'd be here when I woke up this morning. Well, 7 PM when I actually woke up. 7 PM, 7 PM. 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 7 Just meant to get up earlier. Just a bit of violent place, isn't it? Everyone's just killing each other. Mary's here. Gotta kill Mary. Loki attacks Mary with the axe. Loki kills Mary. Well, Loki, what you doing, man? It's not how you treat women. Killing them. Shouldn't even tell you off for swearing. But if I say shit, can I kill Mary? Loki kills Aiden. Bit more sound for that as well. Alright, I'm going to kill Loki for that. Just because he's an asshole. You attack Loki. That's the perfect speed, by the way. Loki kills you. 4 times speed on Spectaculator. You can type, and it feels good. Nidhogg, Glut, and you. Well, let's just kill a few people, man. Don't you dare get out with me killing Nidhogg. They're all just going to kill me because I'm crap. Well, I keep forgetting that you need a weapon. You're in Hell's Hall, which is in hell. Hell. If Mary turns up when you type hell, I'll laugh. No, no, Mistra. Arse. There is no axe here. Oh, Mistra wants the jewels. Loki's he'll do it alright. Because he knows what Mistra will give him in return. Mistra drinks the wine. She's getting hammered. She's getting jewels. She's getting prepared for the night she has to spend with Loki in payment for the jewel. Oh, she just dropped it because she thought, there's no way I want to go and sleep with a guy who hasn't showered ever in his life. She's having a bit of dinner. Oh, now Loki's killing her because she won't put out. And Loki defeated her, but she just ran off. Presumably the police turned up now. Actually, Loki, you should die for that. So, see you later. I've got no weapon, and I think I can take on a god. Loki kills you. Alright, test a few more swear words. Cock. Nope. Well, fuck, obviously. Yeah. Mary is not amused. She just turned up, whacked us, and ran away. Glut. You. Fuck. What? Well, you heard, mate. You heard. Prick. Glut attacked us. Look, he did here. Just because I said something he didn't understand. I defeated him, and he's off. Thor. Glut are back. It's going to be a fight here. Okay, I almost lost its novelty the way people are moving around and killing each other and doing things because it's just like so random and weird. Nidhogg drops the wine. Thor kills Nidhogg. No, Thor asks Nidhogg to kill Mary. Hell arrives and kills. Oh, Glut's attacking us. Glut draws with Hell. God loses to Mary. And then you die of hunger. Now Nidhogg's attacking us. Why is everyone just kicking the shit out of each other? It's killed us. All I was doing was standing there. Alright, it's got to be done. Cunt. Mary is not amused. Kill Mary! She gets away too quick. I don't know how we used to kill her. I thought we just thought we did. Tit. What? Tits. Nope. Penis. It's not rude, is it? Knob. Knob causes a what? Cob. Ass. There's not many rude words left. Poo. Bug arrives. Never even seen Bug. He's just kicking the shit out of Hell. Kill Bug. Oh, Hell's killed him. Kill Hell. Go on. Oh, Hell's killed us. I keep doing that without a weapon, didn't I? You're in Hell's Hall, which is in Hell. And you're killed by Hell. And Hell's going to turn up in a minute. You go back to Hell when you kill him. Oh, Loki. What are we going to do? I'm so bored living in Hell. Loki throws the fireball at Mistra. And then she still goes after him. And then he kills her. Alright, let's just see if you go. Loki, you are a total knob. No, it doesn't understand total. But it understands you are a knob. And then he says, what? Does that mean he kills me? So you get, like, you accidentally go, pick up the chet. He goes, oh, you insulting us. No, he doesn't. Grunt arrives. Grunt? Legend? Grunt. Kill Loki. Loki asks Grunt to eat the food. Grunt refuses to attack Loki because he received an instruction to eat food from him, and then he was thankful that he didn't die of hunger. I didn't even notice the food. Eat food. Is there food all over hell? Hope so. There is. Tons of it. Heaven. Manna from heaven. Drink wine. We're all partying in this class hall with a mint atmosphere to it, like Grunt and me and Loki getting hammered and eating food. It just certainly doesn't feel like hell, actually. Until, of course, Loki just tries to kill you for no reason because you asked him a question earlier he didn't understand. Grunt, man, kill Loki, will you? You ask Grunt to kill it, he refuses. Alright, you're going down, mate, even though I've got no weapon. You attack Grunt. Grunt kills you. Well, that's pretty much Valhalla, I would say, in a nutshell. Well, obviously not. I mean, it's good. It's a great game. You can do it properly, and you know, I haven't. How many people ever will finish it properly? Well, there is already some guy who's done it, isn't there? But anyway, thanks for watching Valhalla on the ZX Spectrum. I quite enjoyed that, actually, if you didn't notice. And it's 6:51 AM on a Monday morning. So I'll be getting my suit on and going to the office. No, I won't, actually.